Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my Vlogmas day 29. How are you guys doing? It's almost over, guys. Vlogmas is almost over. And if today is the first time of joining me, you're very much welcome. My name is Temidayo Ojieyan and this channel is all about faith, food, fashion, beauty and lifestyle. And today I just got my hair done from my usual place and I just thought I should show you guys.
And it's really long and you have some beads that are brown and peach.
Yeah, it has some beads and they are so pretty.
Almost like Kirby.
Don't forget to watch our video and give a thumbs up too. And we did a morning routine too about Christmas, watching our presents. If you guys like that videos, can you give it a thumbs up? And my mom's video too. And Wednesday is taking a picture with his watch. And that was the sound, if you didn't hear it. And my mommy can talk now if she wants to.
Okay, you guys should go sleep. It's late, okay? And mommy needs to have some rest as well. Love you guys. God bless you.
Bye.
Bye.
And we'll meet you guys in the morning tomorrow.
Yeah, sure.
And we'll do our morning routine. Bye, guys.
Bye.
So the kids have gone to their room to sleep. I already prayed with them. I'm just gonna try shower and I'll be showing you guys my night routine, my night beauty routine. I don't do so much. I'll just show you the product I use and what I do before going to bed. So let me go have a shower. And I got this bonnet from Niana Air Pro. Thank you, Niana. This is just what I need. It's big and it has elastic so you can actually adjust it. I don't want it too tight. This is just what I need right now. So guys, I use Pixie Skintreats and this is also an exfoliating toner. And I use this both in the morning and in the evening. I just put it on a cotton wool and I just use it to wipe my face. And also I use it on my neck and my shoulder. Anything I use on my face, I make sure I use it on my neck and my shoulder because you don't want your neck and shoulder color to be different. And the next thing is my Olay Regenerist, and that's what I use as my moisturizer. I use this both in the morning and in the evening as well. I use this on my neck, my shoulder, my face as well, and it's very lovely. I love this. My friend actually introduced this product to me, both the Pixie and the Olay moisturizer, and I've been using it since last year, I guess, over a year now, and I'm so stuck with it. And also I use my Blue Seal Vaseline on my lips. This would help your lips from getting cracks, especially this cold weather. You have to keep your lips moisturized. And also I use castor oil on my hair. There are different type of castor oil, there are different type of flavor and different type of ingredients in them. So I use castor oil to help my hair grow well and also keeps it moisturized as well over the night. So another thing I do is I use Vaseline or glycerin to rub my hands and my leg before sleeping. I got this tip from my mom, so it helps keep your hands and your leg moisturized and keep them from getting dry. So these are the things I do and they really help me keep my body moisturized, as moisturizing your body is very important. Hi guys, good morning. It's morning and the kids are all set. They are waiting for their breakfast. Hey, just hello.
Hello.
Rumzy, say hello.
Hello, I'm playing on my computer. That's actually called a club of
So guys, how are you? How's the night? It's morning for us and nothing to do. Like, I'm in a flexing mood. And it's a day to my birthday. Tomorrow is my birthday, guys. And I'm just there. Like, I'm just there. I wanted myself and the kids to go out to the park to go ride bicycle, but my husband is not so comfortable with us going to the park. Like, it's not as if they're going to be other people at the park, but he doesn't just want us to leave the house. We might probably just ride bicycle on the streets. The weather looks good today though. It's cold, but it's sunny as well. And I'll just make breakfast for the kids. And I want to watch a movie today. I've not watched movies since God knows when. Like, I've not had time for myself for movies. It's truly that there's time for everything. I remember when I used to watch movie like 24 hours, like, and I'm serious about it. Like, those days, season films, like, I'm gonna watch all through when I didn't have any work, of course I wasn't married. I didn't have anything to think of or anyone to cater for. It was just myself and myself alone, so I had all the time to do everything. And I just look back, I'm like, wow, there's really season for everything. If anybody would tell me like I'll stop watching movies like I used to do, I won't believe it. But it's all good. So enjoy every season of your life, guys. Enjoy every season of your life, because season changes. Like, it can never be the same always. So I'm just gonna go make breakfast for the kids, and that's all. Lunch will be something we'll have in the freezer. The one shawarma this morning, so I should probably just bring out the sausage, because I like cooking my sausage. Like, I like boiling it, because so that it's going to reduce the salt. That's what I do to get the salt out from my sausage. So I usually boil. So I'll probably go start boiling my sausage now and bring out other things for shawarma. So I'll be showing you guys how I make my shawarma. So I have a chicken I usually buy from the store. It's been seasoned and cooked already, so all you need to do is just probably stir fry it again or warm it up in the oven or microwave. So I usually like to do this on the stove so that it can give me those brownish look. I just add a bit of oil in the frying pan and stir it on high heat. So for my veggies, I'll be using coleslaw, which I got from the store. I just realized I didn't have lettuce at home, but thank God I have this. And I'll be using chicken breast. I got it from the store as well. It's been seasoned and this is so yummy, guys. And also I'll be using sausage. My sausage has been boiled as well. And my ketchup, I usually do this at air. So this is a mixture of ketchup and mayonnaise. So I just pour it into the bottle. And my tortilla, I use the wheat one just to eat healthy. And also I'll be using some dry pepper. We like spicy food in my house, and that's it. And also I'll be using my grill. I just put it on to 300 degrees, and that's just to heat it up a bit. Rumzy actually had 2 wraps of shawarma. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you do enjoy today's vlogmas. If you do, please kindly click the like button as well as the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop new videos. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Hope you like my mommy's video and I'm one of the king with all about us and their breakfast. It's pretty short because we're doing a video another video today. And you watch out in our channel. And if you don't know what our channel is called, it's called Rumzy and AJ. If you don't know how to spell it, it's RUMZY space then AND then space another space then A then J.
Okay, so there's no space there, so it's all spelled as one word. Yeah, you got the spelling, but there is no space there. Then you need to clean your mouth. You said?
I always put space when I'm typing in that.
Oh yeah, so because you put space when you type it in to search. That's fine. But if you go to the channel name, you'll see that there is no space there. So guys, please kindly subscribe to my kids channel. It's Rumzy and AJ. And that's all right. Yes, Rumzy and AJ. Thank you guys. Bye.
Bye. And my name is Aki, spelled EHIJIE.
Okay.
And my name is